Fault, calibration stalls at 30-40. Step 1. Confirm that the X-min and X-max limit switches are installed correctly. Press the X-min limit switch and observe the signal change on the display. Press the X-max limit switch and observe the signal change on the display. If the signals are reversed, swap the positions on the control board. Step 2. Remove the gear cover and check that the mechanism moves normally. Rotate the gear by hand. It should move smoothly with no obvious resistance. If resistance is felt, check for debris in the gear components. Remove the lead screw. Start calibration. The X-axis motor is strong and responsive, ruling out a motor failure. Step 3. Move the slider and check whether the linear shaft runs smoothly. If the slider cannot travel to its end position, carefully inspect the X-axis base for deformation during 3D printing, as well as the printed parts under the slider. Deformation of 3D printed parts is one of the most common causes of this issue. If deformation is found, simply reprint the part.